In Irish, there's a lovely word for an eclipse that's said in Donegal Irish. The word is fára, fára, and it happens to be the same word we have for an eyelash. The fári is your eyelashes, or in the fária. Now, the way Michelle there, when I first heard this, I assumed that people used to look up at the moon or the sun and they would attribute to it being like your eyelash closing on your eye, so the eclipse going down on the sun. So Hima Sugar Shin and Rudder Guest, I thought that was what it was. Maybe it is, but it could be just a different pronunciation of the standard word Uru, which is an eclipse Uru Grania. And the dialect of Donegal book from Minawanya and Glenties did say that the word could have been influenced by the word fára for eyelashes. So by fára Grian Amara, there'll be an eclipse on the sun tomorrow. So fára.